passage of the week is called rubber ducks. So I thought, let's take a look at the questions first before we read the passage. So I'm going to pop up some of the questions that you'll see this week. Each day you'll have a quiz with different questions. What is a rubber duck? What material have rubber ducks been made from for decades? Not rubber. Why did rubber ducks become really famous in the 1970s? What does the word accessible mean? How many of the first floating rubber ducks were sold? Some more questions you may see this week. What does the word careers mean? Who played with a rubber duck on Sesame Street? What are rubber ducks made of? Oh, what are rubber ducks made to look like today? How many rubber ducks sell each year? Who created the design of the first floating rubber duck? Who holds the world record for a rubber duck collection? What are rubber ducks associated with? What did rubber ducks make easier for kids? What other items come in the rubber duck shape? What are most rubber ducks used for today? What does the word malleable mean? When did a rubber duck make it to the National Toy Hall of Fame? Okay, now we know some of the questions we're going to be asked this week. So let's read the passage. Rubber ducks. A rubber duck is a toy shaped like a stylized yellow duck with a flat bottom. It is made out of rubber like material, like vinyl plastic. These toys are often associated with bathing, but have also become collector's items today. Other items come in the rubber duck shape too, like erasers. Pretty sure I heard that question. Coffee mugs, pool toys, soap, and even lamps. The first rubber ducks appeared in the late 1800s when manufacturers were able to use the process of changing rubber into a malleable or moldable material. The first rubber ducks didn't actually float. They were solid and were made as chew toys. In the 1940s, rubber ducks became the floating toy we know today. The design of the first floating rubber duck was created by sculptor Peter Janine. It was a very popular toy, with 50 million of them sold. These toy ducks have actually been made from vinyl plastic for decades, but we still call them rubber ducks. Rubber ducks were really made famous in the 1970s when Ernie, I heard that question, played a rubber duck in the bathtub on the show Sesame Street. He sang the song Rubber Ducky during the skit, and the song hit number 16 on the Billboard chart. Rubber ducks helped make bath time easier for kids around the world. Today, rubber ducks are made to look like different careers or jobs. Different careers or jobs. That's what careers means. Sports animals and people. They are a popular collection item. The Guinness World Record holder for a rubber duck collection is held by Charlotte Lee, who has 5,631 rubber ducks. Most rubber ducks today are used for displays instead of or the bathtub. The rubber duck is accessible, that means in commas here, or friendly and approachable to all. It has no gender, no age, and no cultural ties. The rubber duck made it into the National Toy Hall of Fame in 2013. It remains a popular item, with millions still selling each year.